Esan, oh yeah, oh yeah. Esan, oh yeah, my Esan people. From now, we'll be telling our children, our people, the history of Esan. We are never one with the Benin. How can we be one if the ancestral land is from Ile-Ife, Ile-Binu? They know the truth. They have been hiding it for a very long time. We were keeping quiet because we don't want peace. We want to live, we want to coexist together. But the lies have become truth because the lies have stayed very long. Our parents were never telling us the truth, that we are never one, we are never blood related with the Benin, just that we coexist together. But we have helped them in many ways, helping them to keep that empire. And it's the same empire they are using to threaten us. They are using that same empire to cajole us. We cannot be able to talk in that land because of why? Because of this Ile-Binu. People that came to invade in our land, they are the one telling us that we are stranger. This is the right time for us to take back our land by telling our people the truth. That is why I'm telling our people should stop developing that Benin. Let's go back home and be developing our place as Esan. These people that said that they are the one that hold everywhere from Kafacha to Burundi, Burundi to Japan. They are the one that hold Ekwere and Yoruba. How come no any of this village that is speaking your language? How come? Even though they migrate from you and go to another place, they will still have that little of your culture with them. Look at this. During the slave trade, people they take from the Yoruba land to Brazil, they are still practicing Ifa. They are still speaking Yoruba. There are some part in Brazil who speak Yoruba because that Yoruba land is their ancestral land. Why are those places that you people claim that you people are the owner of it? They don't have any culture. They don't have anything related to you people. Even the Esan, that is, you people believe that we are brothers and sisters, as you people said it, which we know that we did not relate by blood. Our culture, our way of living, everything, our ancestor, our way, our deities are different from you. You people practice the Yoruba. Everything you people are practicing is adopted from the Yoruba land. But we, the Esan, we have our culture, we have our deity. Everything we have is unique. Look at our dance, our dance that we are dancing. Popularity is unique all over the world. You can never find any culture who does that popularity. How come you people are saying we migrate from you people? We are from you people. You people are our senior. How come our language are unique? How come you people language, we understood your language, and you people don't understand our language like the way we understand your own? And all the neighbor village, we understand their language, but they don't understand our language. If we are from you people, the lie that you people have tell our people for a very long time, it has been long that you people are telling this lie. And with this new generation, we cannot continue this way. We are going to be telling our people the truth, that we are not from Ile-Binu. For those of you that is saying that, yeah, you migrate from Benin, is a lie. It was Igodomi, some of you migrate to come and join the Esan, the Aborigine people. Those people that they are Benin, they are from Ile-Ife, they are Yoruba. I don't see any reason why they will not be. They don't want to agree that they are from their ancestral land. I don't know why they are denying them, but most of them bear the Yoruba name, like Easy Omorui, that is bringing history that caused confusion everywhere, that caused this trouble. His name is Omoni, but they are pronouncing it Omorui. They are pronouncing it because their language, the Benin language, is mixed with Yoruba and Esan, but they will never agree. And they are telling their children that Esan language is the language that is the Benin language that they don't speak well, which is a lie. How come a lot of us understand Benin, but you people, many Benin people cannot speak Esan? They don't even understand Esan language. So let me tell you guys, we are not one. Let's be telling our history by ourselves. We have a lot of things. We contribute 80% things in that state. How come you people want to come and be marginalizing us in our own state? Let me tell you, very soon, you people will go back to your Ile-Binu. We want to use that place, that land, that place that you people are staying right now. We want to be using it to rear goat and cow. because we don't have cow. That is what we'll be using there to do. You see everything. We have ekpoma rice. Do you people have rice? The Benin have rice. We have ozigolo rice. Do you people have it? There are a lot of things that we have. Our culture is not Boro culture. You people culture are Boro. Ogu is Boro. Shango is Boro. Oromila is Boro. Ayelala is Boro. Everything about you people, even the name you people bear is Boro. But we, that you people think that we are not good. We are the one that have our original name, original. Everything that we have is original. You people are the one that come to invade in that land, and you people will go back to your Ile. So for those Esan people that are saying we are one by because we have lived together for a very long time. We have coexist for a very long time. The reason why we stay this long is because of the patience of the Esan people, overlooking the Benin to marginalize them because of the lies their parents have groomed them with. You people, we are the one that hold that state. We are the one that make that kingdom to stand. We use our supernatural power to make that kingdom to stand. At the end, you people will call us slave. At the end, you people will call us stranger. At the end, you people will call us snake. Right now, with the snake, we are coming out to tell our story. We are coming out to take our rightful position back. Who want to cry? Let it cry. If you guys like say, Lily is among people that is dividing that state, I don't care. I don't care. Because you people are biting more than you cannot chew. And right now, we are straightening the record straight. We are letting our children to know that we are never one. We just only coexist as neighbor. But you people have tell lies for a very long time. We want to correct it. That is where I stand. Yes, some people, let's start going back to our place to be building our place. We have helped them to build that Benin city for a very long time. They now feel that they are the head, whereas they are the tail. We are taking back our position as the head back. Thank you very much. My Esan people, I greet you people. Drop your comment. For those Benin people that is saying that we are brothers and sisters, that the Benin senior the Esan. Write the name of the king that gave birth to you people and us. Write the name if you know the name of the father that gave birth to Esan and Benin. That is to show that you people don't know that you are from Ile-Ife. We are not related by blood. We are only neighbor and we coexist. We look ourselves like brothers and sisters. If you people don't respect us, we will not continue living in that lie. Except you people keep on telling your people the truth. That the Esan, the origin owner of that land, you people came and we coexist together. Thank you very much.